In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with SyncTasks for seamless task synchronization. This integration is ideal for those looking to streamline their workflows by automatically synchronizing tasks between Notion and SyncTasks. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, let's prepare your Notion database. This is foundational because the structure you set up here will directly impact how tasks are synced with SyncTasks. Begin by opening your Notion account and creating a new database or selecting an existing one that you wish to sync. It's essential to ensure that this database is prepared with the necessary fields and columns you'll need. This might include task names, due dates, priorities, and status markers such as in progress or complete. Having a consistent structure will help avoid confusion later on. As you set up your database, remember, clarity in naming conventions and consistency across your entries is beneficial down the line when tasks start syncing. Now, it's time to connect in the SyncTasks app. Open SyncTasks on your device and look for the integration section. Once there, you should find the option to connect with Notion. Select this option and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between your Notion account and SyncTasks. You may need to log into your Notion account if you're not already logged in, and it's important to confirm any permissions that SyncTasks requests. This step is crucial as it establishes the communication link between the two platforms, allowing them to exchange data seamlessly. The final step is to map your properties. This involves matching the fields in your Notion database to the corresponding properties in SyncTasks. Essentially, you are instructing SyncTasks on how to interpret and display the data it receives from Notion. Go through each property, such as task titles, due dates, and priority levels, and make sure they're correctly linked to their corresponding fields in SyncTasks. This step ensures that the information displayed on each platform is consistent and meaningful. Take a moment to review the mapping for accuracy, as this will prevent errors or mismatches in task information once the sync is active. And there you have it. A straightforward step-by-step process to connect Notion with SyncTasks, enabling efficient task management across these platforms. With everything set up properly, you can now enjoy the benefit of having your tasks automatically update and synchronize, reducing manual efforts and potential for error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.